Hey guys, we're here at Waterman, 21st Street. I think he told me to stay or something. I'm out of breath because I had to park a block away and run down here. I think he said, "Can you stay right there, please? Thank you." No, I'll stay right here. So they were searching this dude over here when I drove by. Now he's handcuffed on the curb. Something at a high rate of speed. Something about a high rate of speed. Where are you from? Sorry, I'm out of breath. I was running to get over here. I mean, I ran like a block, city block. Yeah, it sounded like he said, "Can you stay right there, please, for me? Thank you." No. So I kept walking. I came up to here. I don't listen to police directives until I'm breaking the law. Unless it's something that's pertinent to the scene, you know what I mean? Like, stay right there or stand over there. No, I'm not one of your prisoners. So he's gonna unhandcuff him. Right, because he didn't do anything wrong. And the camera's here anyway, so they have to act right when the camera's here. Because this is their police report right here on my hand. He said next time use the crosswalk. January 3rd, he won't need a crosswalk. There we go. Camera keeps him out of jail. Camera shows up, they're done. That's how it works, guys. As soon as the camera shows up, they're done. Now, my guess, the guy said next time use the crosswalk. So for jaywalking, you get handcuffed, put on a wet curb, have your stuff searched all over jaywalking. How about that? Welcome to San Bernardino.